Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godalkar. I am assistant professor in S&D College of Engineering, Yeola. Today we discuss a video topic on the lecture of types of sensors. What is a sensor? A sensor is a device that detects the changes in electrical or physical or other quantities and thereby produces an output based on the preset values entered or the current conditions. The ultrasonic sensor diagram is as shown in the PPT. In industrial applications, ultrasonic sensors are characterized by their reliability and outstanding versatility. Ultrasonic sensors can be used to solve even most complex tasks involving object detection or level measurement with millimeter precision because their measuring method works reliably under almost all conditions. The PIR sensor, thermal passive infrared sensor, is an ultrasonic sensor that measures infrared IR light radiating from objects in its field of view. They are most often used in PIR based motion detectors. Temperature sensor is as shown in a slide. The temperature sensor is a low voltage precision centigrade temperature sensor. It provides a voltage output that is linearly proportional to the Celsius temperature. It also does not require any external calibration to provide typical accuracies of plus or minus 1 degree Celsius at plus 25 degrees Celsius and plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius over the minus 40 degrees Celsius and 2 plus 125 degrees Celsius temperature range. We like it because it's so easy to use. Just give the device a ground and Ethernet port to screen for reading and read the voltage on the Vout pin. The output voltage can be converted to temperature easily using the scale factor of 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. Speed sensor. Speed sensors are machines used to detect the speed of an object, usually a transport vehicle. The blind spot monitor. A blind spot monitor is a vehicle-based sensor device that detects other vehicles located to the driver's side and rear. Warnings can be visual, audible, vibrating. It can also include cross-traffic alerts. Radar gun. A radar speed gun is a device used to measure the speed of moving objects. It is used in law enforcement to measure the speed of moving vehicles and is often used in the professional spectator sport for things such as the measurement of bowling speeds in cricket, speed of pitched baseballs, athletes and tennis services. A radar speed gun is a Doppler radar unit that may be handheld, vehicle mounted or static. It measures the speed of the objects at which it is pointed by detecting a change in frequency of the return radar signal caused by the Doppler effect, whereby the frequency of the return signal is increased in the proportional to the object speed of approach if the object is approaching and lowered if the object is receding. Water sensor. The water is a fuel sensor or Wi-Fi sensor indicates the presence of water in the fuel. It is installed in the fuel filter and when the water level in the water separator reaches the warning level, the water sensor sends an electrical signal to the ECU or to the dashboard lamp. The Wi-Fi is used especially in the common rail engines to avoid the fuel injector damage. Oxygen sensor. An oxygen sensor or a lambda sensor is an electronic device that measures the proportion of oxygen O2 in the gas or liquid being analyzed. It was developed by the Robert Bosch GmbH company during the late 1960s under the supervision of Dr. Gunter Baumann. The original sensing element is made with a thimble-shaped zirconia ceramic coated on both the exhaust and reference sides with a thin layer of platinum and comes in both heated and unheated forms. The planar style sensor entered the market in 1990 and significantly reduced the mass of the ceramic sensing element as well as incorporating the heater within the ceramic structure. This resulted in a sensor that started sooner and responded faster. Heated oxygen sensor. The next sensor is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. MRI, nuclear magnetic resonance imaging. NMRI or magnetic resonance tomography, MRT, is a medical imaging technique used in radiology to investigate the anatomy and psychology of the body in both health and disease. MRI scanners use magnetic fields and radio waves to form images of the body. The technique is widely used in hospitals for medical diagnosis, staging of disease, and follow-up without exposure to ionizing radiation. These are the different types of sensor we use. We see here the different types are, firstly we see the what is sensor definition. After that we see the first type in sensor, that is in ultrasonic sensor. Then in this slide we see the how the applications of ultrasonic sensor. Then next we see the sensor PIR sensor, passive infrared sensor. And then next we see the next sensor type is temperature sensor. After that we see the speed sensor. Next type is speed sensor. How these sensors are used in are used in practically. That we see the practically how it used. Here we use a radar gun. Here we see the radar gun. A radar speed gun is a device used to measure the speed of moving object. It is used in law enforcement to measure the speed of moving vehicles and is often used in professional spectator sport for things such as the measurement of bowling speeds in cricket, speed of pitched baseballs, athletes and tennis serves. A radar speed gun is a Doppler radar unit that may be handheld, vehicle mounted or static. It measures the speed of the objects at which it is pointed by detecting a change in frequency of the return radar signal caused by the Doppler effect, whereby the frequency of the return signal is increased in proportional to the object speed of approach if the object is approaching, and lowered if the object is receding. Next we see the water sensor. After that water sensor we see the oxygen sensor. Here the different types of sensor we see. Thank you.